Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So, mao ni ang among bag-o nga washing machine which was bought yesterday at the Robinsons Mall in Dumaguete. So, we're now going to try this new washing machine like that, and it also contains this one here. So that way it's gonna be level on the ground. This part here where you can put your softener, powder, and a liquid detergent or liquid bleach detergent here. It's for cleaning it once a month. So yeah, that's it. We're going to try this one. Opening the faucet in there. Guys, no, si Kano na yung butang dito. You must put the soap here, Tom. We're going to try this one, but if it works.
Right, put it in there.
Softener here.
Yeah, where?
So that's what we are using, guys. The Dell Forever Joy. Oh, up. Probably that's a lot, Tom.
Went to the full. I went to the full.
Full, okay.
Maybe it doesn't use it all at one time.
Put more. What's that? It's making noise. Hamani! My goodness, you're going to ruin that new washing machine of yours if you're going to put money inside. Mabi, no, Bobby! So now he took out the money for the coins inside his pocket, guys.
Level. I don't know what level, water level.
Did you already put it into a normal?
I'm trying to see what the water levels are. 5140 something.
Yeah. 42.
Well, it's 10 minutes. 15 minutes. Rinse.
For rinse.
Oh, that's how many rinses.
Yes.
You go with, what, 1 or 2?
2. To take out all the bubbles.
And spin. Okay, it goes up to 9.
Spin 9?
Well,
sure?
the faster you spin it, the
Oh, okay.
we'll leave the air
No,
dry
not air
off.
dry. Then starts.
And you see water
Now
going
it's
into
working, guys. And then the water starts through the glass here. A little bit here. That's the water. So the Sharp brand, guys, is from Japan. So it's a good brand, this one. Like that. Now it's started to work by itself.